In early 2025, cryptocurrencies have reemerged in the spotlight as both financial tools and symbols of digital sovereignty. With governments tightening regulations around traditional banks and inflation creeping across global economies, decentralized finance, DeFi, is experiencing a revival. Bitcoin has stabilized above $60,000, but the real stars of this cycle are utility-based altcoins. Tokens that power real-world applications, such as decentralized cloud computing, energy distribution, and AI services, are gaining traction. These aren't speculative plays anymore. They're being used. One of the fastest rising players is Render, RNDR, which provides distributed GPU rendering for the creative industry. Meanwhile, Filecoin, Phil, is being increasingly adopted by enterprises looking for decentralized, cloud storage alternatives amid increasing cybersecurity concerns. The mainstreaming of crypto in 2025 is also driven by Gen Z's economic behavior. This generation, which now makes up a significant portion of the global workforce, is inherently distrustful of centralized systems. Instead, they lean toward ecosystems where transparency, immutability, and community governance prevail. Decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, are being adopted not only for investment funds, but for community-led social projects, music collaborations, and gaming guilds. Platforms like Aragon and DAO House have seen user growth explode in Q1 of this year. These systems are giving power directly to users through tokenized voting, allowing for a level of democratic control never before possible in traditional structures. On the innovation front, the crypto industry is aligning closely with artificial intelligence. In particular, blockchain projects are now focusing on data ownership and integrity in AI training models. Projects like Ocean Protocol are tokenizing data assets, allowing AI developers to purchase and verify high-quality data sets without relying on centralized data warehouses. This decentralized approach ensures data is not only traceable, but also ethically sourced. Crypto and AI are no longer seen as separate verticals. Instead, they're forming symbiotic ecosystems that mutually reinforce each other. As AI-generated content floods the internet, blockchain's immutability becomes a shield against misinformation and manipulation. Finally, governments are reacting in mixed ways. Some, like Singapore and Switzerland, are adopting frameworks that embrace digital assets while emphasizing security and user protection. Others, such as the US-China, are tightening controls, launching their central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and creating digital fences to control capital outflow. Despite this, adoption continues to surge in developing regions where local currencies are unstable. Latin America and Sub-Saharan Africa are leading in crypto wallet adoption per capita. Peer-to-peer exchanges and mobile-based DeFi apps are transforming how people save, lend, and transact, especially in areas where access to traditional banking is limited or untrustworthy.